Hi, I'm Mitch Paca, Head and Hub Manager of Love Yourself Cebu. So, Love Yourself is a community-driven organization that is mostly run by the LGBTQIA+. In fact, 90% of our employee and staff and volunteers are part of the community. For us, Love Yourself is our safe haven where everyone feels so welcome without any judgment and discrimination or feeling like an outcast. We began with small community outreach programs to raise awareness, offers testing services and prevention. Now we expanded our services, not just with testing awareness, but also having our treatment. The first step to take when you are tested positive is you're gonna have your treatment done here in the center. So we have doctors, nurses, medtechs, and all our staff can help them with their journey. New life journey nila nga, positive na sila. Love Yourself. Top priority is the confidentiality of the patients. We don't call them by names. We do have some unique ID code to have themselves identify. So here in Love Yourself, we also have a preventive measures, not just with condoms, lubricants, but we have pre-exposure prophylaxis. You're gonna take that every day, and we do have also a post-exposure prophylaxis. It is also a tool to combat or to prevent HIV virus in your body. That's true that HIV cases in the Philippines are on the rise. But that's not the whole picture. So since 2010, taas na kayong numbers ang HIV, but karon, compared to now, the numbers are very enormous. Dako na jud kayo ang jump sa numbers. Before, it started like 9-10 cases per day, but now it's like 57 cases. Yet, our efforts also have grown over the years. Today, more people are getting tested than ever before. More people are starting their treatment, and more people are protecting themselves with tools like PrEP and sometimes PEP. And these things weren't even available like 10 years ago. That's why the numbers are rising. Not because there's a lack of awareness, but it is because many individuals are finally stepping forward. I firmly believe that the LGBTQIA+ community serves as a powerful voice and has the potential to effect change and to combat stigma and discrimination related to HIV. Our collective aspiration is to envision a future where HIV testing becomes an integral part of routine health-seeking behavior. This Pride Month, I am encouraging everyone to get tested because here at Love Yourself, testing is free, prevention is free, treatment is free. Follow us at Love Yourself Cebu on Facebook and Instagram. We are located at Capitol Site near Suarez Brothers and Sons, and we're open every Wednesdays to Sundays, 12 noon to 7 p.m. Hi, I'm Mitch Paca. Catch Love Yourself Cebu on Kita.